Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add Google Drive Quick Actions widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, go to the home screen page that you want to add the widget and then touch and hold. Then tap on Widgets at the bottom. Next, swipe up and then tap on the Drive section. In here, drag the Drive Quick Actions to the home screen. So you can do that by touch and hold, then drag it out onto the home screen and let go. Now you can readjust the widget height by dragging on the handle at the bottom. You can also drag on the handle on the side to make it wider or narrower. And then tap anywhere on the screen to finish. And that's it. So here, if I drag it down to make it larger, it'll become like a square shape. And then in here, you can tap on the search button. You can add files. You can download files or upload files. And if I want to touch on the search button, in here, I can then type in the keyword that I want to search for. And then it shows any pictures, names, any file that has a name pictures will show us in here. Now I do not have anything in here at the moment, so my drive is empty at the moment. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.